This video is sponsored by the Sandy Spring Museum WondeRoom in partnership with the 4-H Lucky Clovers. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fortune tellers. Fortune tellers are a type of origami, and this is going to be what your ending result looks like. Let's get started. You're going to be needing two things, a marker and a piece of paper that is cut into a squared shape. Here are two simple shapes that will make it easier for you to understand. A hot dog and a taco. This is going to be how we're folding our paper. I'll show you. First, we're going to fold our paper into a hot dog. Good. Now unfold it. Now we're going to fold it in a hot dog in the other direction. Now you should have 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now fold it into a taco. Unfold it and fold it into the taco in the other direction. Good. Now you should have 8 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Unfold your paper, and now it's time to use your marker. Put a dot in the center where all the triangles start. Good. Now put one in every corner. This is not necessary, but it will help you. Now you know the dots always have to touch another dot. So, take your first dot and touch it to the center dot. Do that for the rest. Now, flip it over. Your square will start to get smaller and smaller. Put dots in the corners again. Good. Now, you're going to be touching the dot to the center dot again. Do that for the rest of them. Now you're going to fold it in half like this. Now you have your fortune teller. You're going to be writing colors on the outside. Like this. Then on the inside, with your 8 triangles, write a number on each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just like that. And on the inside, you can write anything you want. You can write kind notes to people. You can also write things like different colors or different animals that people will choose. Now, I'm going to show you how you hold it. Now that you have the colors, put your index finger in one and your thumb in the one across from your index finger. And do that on both sides. Now you have a perfect fortune teller. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!